In the ever-evolving world of kitchen appliances, this Ovente Countertop infrared double burner stands out as a remarkable blend of efficiency, style, and convenience. With a powerful 1in700W electric hot plate and the ability to accommodate virtually all types of cookware, this portable stove is a game-changer for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. In this detailed review, we'll dive into the features, benefits, and overall performance of the Ovente Countertop infrared double burner, making it clear why this appliance is a must-have for your kitchen. Why choose the Ovente Countertop infrared double burner? The Ovente Countertop infrared double burner offers several benefits that make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. 1. Efficiency. The 1in700W power and infrared technology provide rapid and even heating, reducing cooking time and improving food quality. 2. Versatility. Its compatibility with all cookware types eliminates the need for special pots and pans, adding convenience and cost savings. 3. Safety. The automatic shut-off feature and indicator lights enhance safety, making it suitable for all users, including those who may be less experienced in the kitchen. 4. Portability. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to move and store, perfect for those with limited kitchen space or who enjoy cooking on the go. 5. Ease of maintenance. The easy-to-clean surfaces ensure that you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. One of the standout features of the Ovente Countertop infrared double burner is its hassle-free cooking experience. Powered by 1in700 watts, this cooktop uses infrared technology, an advanced heating system that ensures your food heats up quickly and evenly. Whether you're frying, keeping food warm, or boiling water or soup, this burner delivers consistent results without the typical hotspots found in traditional burners. Unlike induction cooktops that require specific magnetic cookware, the Ovente infrared double burner is compatible with virtually all types of cookware. This flexibility means you can use your existing pots and pans without needing to invest in new ones. To achieve the best results, it's recommended to use flat cookware that closely matches the size of the burners, which are 775 and 675 in diameter. Cooking with the Ovente infrared double burner is a breeze, thanks to its adjustable temperature control. The control knobs allow you to set the perfect temperature for your dish, ensuring that your food is cooked just the way you like it. The indicator light illuminates red to signal that the cooktop is heating and automatically shuts off to prevent overheating or when the desired temperature is reached. This feature not only ensures safety but also adds to the ease of use. The design of the Ovente Countertop infrared double burner is both stylish and practical. The stainless steel housing combined with the sleek crystallite ceramic glass top gives it a modern look that complements any kitchen decor. Moreover, its slim and lightweight design, weighing just 4.6 pounds, makes it perfect for small studios, apartments, kitchenettes, and RVs. Its portability means you can easily store it away when not in use or take it with you on your travels. Maintaining the Ovente infrared double burner is straightforward and quick. The crystallite glass and stainless steel housing can be wiped clean with a damp cloth, making it easy to keep the cooktop looking new. This ease of cleaning is a significant advantage for those who cook frequently and want to minimize cleanup time. Ovente's commitment to quality is backed by its US-based customer service and a 1-year warranty. This assurance gives you confidence in your purchase, knowing that the product is free from defects in material and workmanship under normal use and conditions. Should you encounter any issues, Ovente's responsive customer service is there to assist you. The Ovente Countertop infrared double burner is more than just a portable stove. It's a reliable kitchen companion that adapts to your cooking needs. Whether you're a busy professional needing a quick and efficient cooking solution, a student in a dorm with limited kitchen space, or a camper looking to enjoy home-cooked meals on the road, this burner meets those needs with ease. Its precise temperature control allows you to cook a wide range of dishes to perfection. From delicate sauces that require gentle simmering to robust steaks that need a high sear, The Ovente infrared double burner delivers consistent results. The dual burner design also means you can cook multiple dishes simultaneously, saving you time and making meal preparation more efficient. Final thoughts. The Ovente Countertop infrared double burner is a testament to the evolution of kitchen appliances, combining advanced technology with practical design. Its efficiency, versatility, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. The stylish design ensures it will look great in any kitchen, while its portability and easy maintenance add to its appeal. If you're in the market for a reliable, efficient, and versatile cooking appliance, the Ovente Countertop infrared double burner is a top contender. It promises to make your cooking experience more enjoyable and less stressful, allowing you to focus on creating delicious meals. By choosing the Ovente Countertop infrared double burner, you're investing in a quality appliance that delivers on its promises, providing you with a seamless and enjoyable cooking experience. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your kitchen with a product that truly stands out in the market. If you found this review helpful and want to see the full product specifications, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.